Assalamu alaikum and hello, this is Abdulkader Sardini doing task 2. So the first part of task 2 is to modify the radius to see what happens. For starters, I separated the function of the outline circle into its own function, okay, because it was in the display function, and this will apply separation of concern for us and will make this display function more readable. So I made these as global variables. So now let's try changing the radius. I'm going to put this as 0.1. Okay, it makes our circle smaller. Let's do this at 1.0. So it makes it very big. Let's keep it as 0.5 for now. And for the next part, for numSegments, I believe this was at 100 at the start. Okay. And let's put it at 10, see what happens. It specifies the number of line segments that make up our circle. So I believe if we put this at 6, we'll get a hexagon. And if we put it at 8, we will get a pentagon. And if we put it at 200, we will get a finer circle. Okay, so for the last part of this task, I made up the draw field circle function. And for this, after some research, I found that using the triangle fan instead of the line loop is the best way to draw a field circle. So this is our green field color. This is the OpenGL function that we're going to use, the drawing method. And this is the center of the circle. And this is pretty much the same parametric function that we use to draw the circle. So I used half the radius as specified in the task in here. Half the size of the original circle, because we found out that the radius controls the size. So passing down the radius in here and halving the size of the radius in here. So let's try it now. Okay, so let's try changing the radius size 0.9, and it will always render as half the size, make the circle on the inside as half the size. And that is all by me. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.